Hey everyone! Welcome back to Go English. I'm Mizu. I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hey guys, I'm Lucas. And yes, we're learning together again today. Simple English, real life, no stress.
So, how's your day going? Are you having a busy day or a relaxing one?
Yeah, maybe you're watching this on your way to work, or maybe you're just relaxing with a cup of coffee.
Wherever you are, this is your time to learn something small, but very useful.
Because today, we're talking about two very common words, but they can be a little tricky.
Yes, about and of. You see them everywhere in conversations, in writing, all the time.
But here's the thing. A lot of learners don't really feel the difference between them.
Sometimes you stop and think, should I say about or of?
And sometimes both sound possible, but only one sounds natural to a native speaker.
So in this video, we're going to make it very simple for you. No complicated grammar, no stress.
Just clear examples, real-life situations, and an easy way to understand the difference.
By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident using about and of naturally.
And you won't need to stop and think every time. It will just feel right.
So you've probably used these words many times, but are you really using them correctly?
Let's find out together. Let's get started. All right, Mizu. Let's not talk about rules yet. Just feeling, okay?
I like that. Just listen and feel.
I'm thinking about my weekend.
Oh, okay. That feels like many ideas, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Now listen to this. I'm thinking of my mom.
Oh, wow. That feels more personal.
Yeah, more direct, more from the heart.
So, what do you think? Do they feel the same or different?
Don't think too much, just feel it.
Yeah, no grammar, just feeling.
When we say about, it feels like you're thinking around a topic.
Right, like many ideas in your mind.
And when we say of, it feels more like a direct connection.
Like one clear image, one person, one feeling.
Yeah, simple, right?
Exactly. No complicated words, just feel the difference. All right, Mizu. Now let's go a little deeper. Still easy, still natural.
Okay, Lucas. So now we talk about, right?
Exactly. When we use about, we are talking about a topic.
A topic. Oh, I like that word.
Yeah, not one small thing, but something bigger, more general.
So it's not very specific, right?
Right, not too specific, just around the idea. Let's take a simple example, Mizu. I'm talking about a movie.
Oh, okay. So maybe you talk about the story, the actors,
Yeah,
and maybe your favorite scene?
exactly. Not just one thing, many things around that movie.
Oh, wow. Okay, I see it.
All right, one more. I'm thinking about work.
Yeah, that sounds real.
Yeah, we all do that.
So you're not thinking about just one task.
Right,
Maybe your boss, your schedule, your meetings.
exactly. Everything around work. Another one. I'm learning about English.
Oh, that's our audience.
Yes,
So they're learning vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation?
exactly. Not just one small thing, but the whole topic. And this one is very common. I worry about money.
Oh, yeah. That means many things, right?
Right.
Bills, saving, spending.
Yeah, all the ideas around money. Okay, Mizu, let's make it more real. Mini situation.
Oh, I like this part.
You and your friend are talking on Friday night. Hey, let's talk about our weekend plans.
Oh, that sounds friendly.
Yeah, and about here means
Many ideas.
yes,
Where to go, what to eat, who to meet.
exactly. It's open, not just one thing.
Oh, I have one more. I'm thinking about what to eat tonight.
Oh, wow, that's me every day.
Same here.
So again, not one idea.
Right, maybe pizza, noodles, rice.
Yeah, your mind goes around the topic. All right, let's give them some easy sentences.
Yes, something they can use today.
Let's talk about your plan.
Oh, that's nice and simple.
And this one, I'm thinking about my future.
Wow, that's a big topic. Yeah, job, life, dreams, everything.
So remember this feeling. About is wide. It's general.
And you're thinking around a topic. Simple, right?
Yeah, you don't need to memorize, just feel it. All right, Mizu. Now let's move to of.
Okay. I feel this one is more specific, right?
Yeah, you got it. When we use of, we're talking about a connection
A connection.
or something that belongs to something else.
Oh, like they're linked together.
Exactly. Very clear. Very direct. Let's start with a simple one. This is a picture of my family.
Oh, I love that. So this picture belongs to your family, right?
Yes. When you see the picture, you see them.
It's not about family.
Right. It's not general.
It's that family in that picture.
Exactly. Very specific. Another one. The name of the restaurant.
So the name is connected to that restaurant.
Yes.
It belongs to it.
Perfect. How about this? A piece of cake.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Yeah.
So one piece from the whole cake.
Exactly. It's part of something bigger. And this one is very visual. The color of the sky.
Oh, wow. Blue or maybe orange in the evening?
Yeah.
So the color belongs to the sky.
Exactly. That connection is very clear. So the feeling is
Of means
belongs to
or.
part of something.
Yes, always a clear link.
All right, Mizu, let's make it real. Mini situation.
Oh, I like this part again.
You're looking at your phone. You see a photo.
Okay.
And you say, this is a photo of my dog.
Oh, that feels very clear.
Yeah, not any dog.
Your dog.
Exactly.
Let me try one. I'm visiting your house.
Okay?
And I say the door of the house is open.
Perfect.
So the door belongs to the house.
Exactly. That's the connection. Let's go a little deeper.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just a little. Still easy. When you talk about a person, you can say, he is a friend of mine.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yeah, it means
He belongs in your group of friends.
exactly. Beautiful explanation. So remember this feeling.
Of is not wide like about.
Right.
It's focused
Direct.
and connected.
Very clear.
Can you feel the difference now?
Yeah. Don't memorize. Just feel the connection. All right, Mizu. This is the moment.
Oh, the important part.
Yeah, the aha moment.
I'm ready.
So now, let's put them side by side.
About and of.
Exactly. Same idea, but different feeling. Let's start with this one. A story about a girl.
Okay. So this story talks about a girl,
Yes,
but maybe also about her friends, her life, many things,
exactly. The girl is the topic.
but not the only focus.
Perfect. Now listen to this. The story of a girl.
Oh, that feels different.
Yeah, how does it feel?
It feels more personal,
Yes,
like the story belongs to her.
exactly.
It's her life, her journey.
That's it. Much deeper. So, about means we are talking around the topic.
And of means we're going into the person, the connection.
Perfect, Mizu. Let's try another one.
Oh, yes, I like these.
I'm thinking about you.
Oh, that sounds sweet.
Yeah,
So you are thinking maybe many things,
right.
memories, conversations, moments.
Exactly. Your mind moves around that person. Now listen carefully. I'm thinking of you.
Oh, wow. That feels stronger.
Yeah,
Like suddenly that person appears in your mind.
exactly. One clear image, one feeling.
More direct.
More personal.
Lucas, can I say something?
Of course.
Thinking of you feels like you really miss someone.
Yeah, that's beautiful. So, can you feel it now?
Mm-hmm. Don't translate, just feel.
About. Broader. More general.
Of.
Deeper. More direct.
Stronger connection. Oh, this is actually simple.
Yeah, when you feel it, it's easy.
Mm-hmm. Not scary anymore.
Exactly. No rules, just meaning. All right, Mizu. Now let's make this super practical.
Yes, something people can use right away.
Exactly. No thinking too much, just ready-to-use phrases. About expressions. Let's start with about.
Okay. Topic words, right?
Yes, very natural in daily life. First one. Talk about.
Oh, we use this all the time.
Yeah. Example. Let's talk about your day.
That sounds friendly and caring.
Next, think about.
Oh, like, I'm thinking about my next trip.
Perfect.
So many ideas. Where to go, what to do.
Exactly. Another one. Learn about.
Oh, I want to learn about cooking.
Nice.
So not just one recipe,
Right.
but many things. Ingredients, skills, techniques.
Exactly. And this one is very real. Worry about.
Yeah.
Example. I worry about my exams.
Ugh, I remember that feeling.
Me too. Let's add a few more, Mizu.
Oh yes, more is better.
Care about.
I really care about my family.
That's a nice one. Ask about.
She asked about your job.
Simple and useful. Read about.
Oh, I read about this place online.
Perfect. All right, now let's move to of.
Connection words.
Exactly. First one. A lot of.
Oh, super common.
Example. I have a lot of work today.
Oh wow, busy day.
Yeah. Next. Kind of.
Like, I'm kind of tired.
Yes.
Not very tired, but a little.
Exactly. Part of.
I'm part of a team.
Nice.
So you belong to that group.
Perfect explanation. Full of.
The room is full of people.
Great.
So many people inside.
Exactly. Let's add a few more.
Oh yes, I like this part.
A piece of.
I want a piece of cake.
Always a good example. A cup of.
I'd like a cup of coffee.
Perfect for daily life. The end of.
This is the end of the movie.
Very clear connection. So now you don't just understand.
You can use them right away.
About. Talking around something.
Of. Belonging. Part of something.
How do you feel now, Mizu?
Oh, much clearer and much easier.
Exactly.
These are real English, not just rules.
All right, Mizu. Now let's put everything together.
Oh, real life situation? I love this part.
Yeah, imagine this. It's Friday evening. You meet your friend at a coffee shop.
Nice, relaxed feeling.
You sit down, you start talking.
And maybe you open your phone.
Exactly. All right, let's listen to the conversation.
Hey, Lucas, let's talk about our weekend plans.
Yeah, good idea. I'm thinking about going somewhere, maybe outside the city.
Oh, really? Like where?
I'm not sure yet. I'm just thinking about different places.
Oh, I see. Just ideas for now.
Yeah. What about you?
Well, I was thinking about the beach.
Oh, wow. That sounds nice.
Wait, let me show you something. This is a photo of a place I found online.
Oh, let me see.
It's a small beach. Very quiet.
Wow, the color of the water is beautiful.
I know, right?
So, are you thinking about going there this weekend?
Yeah, I'm really thinking about it.
You should go. That place looks amazing.
Maybe I will.
Did you hear that?
Very natural, right?
We said, talk about our weekend plans.
Because it's a topic, many ideas.
And a photo of a place.
Because the photo is connected to that place.
And also, I'm thinking about going somewhere.
Because it's still general, not one clear plan.
This is how real English sounds.
Simple, natural, and easy to use.
All right, Mizu. Now it's your favorite part.
Oh yes, practice time.
Okay, everyone. Don't just listen. Speak with us.
Say it out loud, okay?
Let's talk about it.
Again, let's talk about it. I'm thinking about my future.
One more time. I'm thinking about my future. This is a picture of my family.
Again, feel the connection. This is a picture of my family.
A piece of cake.
Oh, I like this one.
Me too. A piece of cake. Good. One more time by yourself.
Don't be shy, just try.
Say it out loud.
And feel the difference between about and of.
All right, Mizu. Let's ask them something.
Something simple, right?
Yeah, something real. What are you thinking about today?
Your work, your plans, your weekend? And one more. Do you have a photo of someone special?
Maybe your family, your friend, or someone you love.
Write your answer in the comments.
Yeah, we really want to read your answers.
This is how you practice real English.
Exactly. Not just watching, but using it. All right, Mizu. Let's quickly go over what we learned today.
Nice and simple.
About,
Topic.
of,
Connection.
that's it.
Simple but powerful.
Remember, don't memorize rules. Feel the meaning.
When you feel it, English becomes natural.
English is easier than you think.
You just need to use it every day.
If this video helped you,
Don't forget to like
share it with your friends.
and subscribe to Go English.
All right,
See you in the next Go English video.
take care and keep practicing.